In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Roblox gift card not working. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna cover how to make sure that you acquire a Roblox gift card properly and what to do if you are having trouble redeeming the card. So, as you might know, if you visit the Roblox website, you can select gift cards on the menu at the left side of the screen, and you will be redirected to a page where you can start the process of acquiring a Roblox gift card for you or someone else. So when you click Shop Gift Card, this is how you can officially buy a gift card for a friend or for you. Make sure that you select the appropriate currency and you buy either a digital or physical card. Now, if you buy a physical card, it is extremely important that first the currency matches the region of your account and also that the physical card is activated. This is a process that must be done through the retailer. So, if the retailer failed to activate your card after you purchased it, you will have to go back and contact the retailer as soon as possible. They need to make sure to activate the card after checkout. If you buy a digital card, it is going to be automatically activated as soon as you finish making the purchase, but like I said, it is important that you select the currency, because if the currency doesn't match the country where the recipient's Roblox account is going to be registered, it might not work. So when you purchase the gift card, all that you have to do to actually redeem it is to go back to the main page, click on the Robux icon at the top right corner of the website, and then redeem Roblox codes. This is where you can input the code. If you get a message telling you that the code is invalid, then double check the code, because sometimes you might be confusing certain characters. For example, you might be switching a 0 with an O or a B with an 8 and so on. Ensure that the code that you typed is properly set up, and like I said, make sure that the card is activated. If it still doesn't work, then what you can do is click Help at the bottom of the screen and then select Contact Us. Finally, choose the support form or go to roblox.com/support, and in here you will be able to select issue details, choose your platform, and choose the gift card category. Select the option that you cannot redeem the card and describe your issue, and the support will be able to help you. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Roblox gift card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.